now students, here addition is given, again two sums, similar sums what we discussed previous. Here 5342 is given, 1760 is given. Then how to add? First here in ones place 2 is there and 2 is there, and 2 plus 2, 2, 3, 4. Here the answer is 4, and here tens place 4 and 6 is there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How to take 10? 10, this is the ones place here, this we have to keep here, and this 1 we keep on top of 3, that 2 on hundreds place. Then now we add 1, 3 and 7. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, total 11. Then how to write this 11? This 1 you have to write here, and this 1 we keep on thousands place. And after that 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 again plus 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. The answer is 7104. These two are addends, this is our sum. The second question is similar question. This is your home assignment. You do by yourself as a home assignment. The next, in second bit, the first question, 9368 plus 3047. First we have to arrange these in columns. How? Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 9368. And next numeral 3047. 47. Then add 8. 8 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. How to write this 15? This 5 here and this place on tens place. 1 we should write on tens place. Then now we add all these three numbers, 6, 1 and 4. 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, ones place is here, and this tens place is on top of 3, that 2 on hundreds place, that is exactly beside the place. Then 3, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 0 is 4 only. This is the single digit, there is no nothing. If two digits were there, so we keep like this. If single digit is there, we write single digit as it is below that place value. Then after that, here 9 and 3 is there. 9 is in thousands place and 3 is also in thousands place. We add thousands places. Then 9, 10, 11 and 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. This is our sum. These two are the addends and this is the sum. So this is our solution. And the next question, B question, this question is similar to this, and this question you do as your home assignment. This is your home assignment. Yes, now students, here find the missing numerals. Here we have to find missing numerals. Here one numeral is missing, here one, here one, here one. Total 4 numerals are missing. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numerals are missing. We have to find 4 missing numerals in each question. Then how to find 4 numerals? See here. Here 7 is there. For this 3, what number should add to get 7? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I add 4 to 3, then I get 7 answer. So the missing number is 4 here. First here 3 is there and here answer is 7. Then what number should add to get 7 means if we add 4 to this number, then answer is 7. This one is over. Then here 9 is there. What number should add to get 9 to this number? Here 7 is there. To this 7, what number should add to get 9? 7, 8, 9. If we add 2 to this number, then we get 9 here. Then we get 9 here. Here 9. Here 2 is there. 2 means here 12. 2 means here 12. So we have to check more than this number, not less than this number. 9, 10, 11, 12. We check for 12, not for 2. Because in addition, always the sum is greater than this number. Sum is always more than this addends. Addend is 9. One addend is 9. Other addend is 2. It is not 2. It is 12. It is 12. Why? Because the sum is always greater than this addend. Addend means after 9. So we should get 12 means once we have to check what number should add to get this 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. If I add 3 to this number, then we will get 12. In 12 we keep 2 here and 1 very next place value. 1 we have to keep to very next place value, that is on thousands. Then after that, here 5 is there. 2 is here, 2 plus 1, 3. To this 3, what should we add to get this 5? Then 3, 4, 5. If I add 2 to these numbers, then sum is 5. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Once again, listen. Here 3 is there and 7 is given. Then what number should add to this 3 to get 7? 3. Check. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If I add 4 to this 3, then answer is 7. Then 3 plus 4 is 7. The first one is over. Here 9 is there. Here 7 is given. What number should add to 7 to get 9? 7, 8 and 9. 2. If I add 2 to 7, 2 to this 7, then our answer is 9. And the number next is 9. 9 is here and 2 is here. If I check here, this is sum, this is sum, and this one is addend. Addend is greater than sum. So it means it is not 2, it is 12. We recognize this is not 2, this is 12. We should remember this point. Here 12. For 12, what number should add to this 9 to get 12? 9, 10, 11, 12. If I add 3 to this 9, then we get 12. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 means 2 is here and 1 is next on next digit. We take 1 to next place value. What is our next place value? 1000's place value. In the next place value, 2 is there and 1 is there. 2 plus 1, 3. 3. For getting 5, more 2, so we should add to get 5. So here we should get 2. So the answer is 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. This is the solution. The next question. The next question also similar question. Here 9 is given. Here we have to find. Then here 8 is given. This is the addend. This is the sum. Addend is 9 and sum is 8. Addend, if we check, addend is greater than sum. It is not possible. Addend is always less than the sum. But here addend is greater than the sum. So we understand that this is not 8. This is 18. This is 18. Then for 9, what we should add to get 18? We have to check. First, what we think first? First we check addend and sum. If we check addend and sum, addend is greater than sum. It is not correct. So we understand that this is not 8, this is 18. In this way we think and we do our sum. So then 9 and 18. So what we should add to get 18 to this 9? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. If we add 9 to 9, then we get 18. Then what is the answer here? Here 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Here 18. Then we take 1 next to the place value, that is tens place value. Tens place value. This is the added, this is also added. These two are lesser than this 8. No need to check, no need to take 18 here. This is 8 only. Why? Because the 4 is less than 8 and 1 is also less than 8. If it is less than, these two are less than to this sum, no need to take 18, 28 like that. This is 8 only. This is 8 only. 4 plus 1, 5. This 5, what we should add to get 8? 5, 6, 7 and 8. 3, we should add 3. Then we will get 8. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Then after that, here 5 is there and 7 is there. This is the added, this is the sum. Added is lesser than sum. So no need to take 17, this is 7 only. If it is more, then no need to take 17, 27, 37 like that. This is 7 only. Then what number should add to this 5 to get 7? 5, 6, 7, 2. We add 2 to this number, then we get 7. And after that, this is added, this is sum. Sum is greater than this added, no need to take 19 and all, 9 only. What number should add to this 6 to get 9? 6, 7, 8 and 9. 3. We should add 3 to this number, then we get 9 here. Once again, listen, here 9. 9 is there and 8 is there. If you compare this 9 and if you check 9 and 18, this is the sum. Sum should always greater than this added, but here lesser than. We think that this is not 9, this is not 8, this is 18. 18. For getting 18, what should add to this 9 to get 18? 9 plus 9 is 18. Here 9. 18 means 8 is here and 1 is very next to the place value, that one tens place. And once you check 4 and 1, these two are lesser than this sum. So this is not 18, this is 8 only. 4 plus 1, 5. To get 8, how many more numbers to add? So then 3. If we add 3, then we will get 8. We will get 8. Then after that, 5 and 7. This the sum is greater than this. This is not 17, 7 only. Then what number should add to this 5 to get 7? 2. Then 6. 6 and 9. Sum is greater than. This is 9 only. What number should add to this 6 to get 9? 3. 6 plus 3, 9. In this way, we have to think and we have to solve our missing number.